Storz and Bickel.
The Mighty is a portable vaporizer from Storz & Bickel. The device is intended for the vaporization and subsequent inhalation of fragrances or aromas from herbs. In addition to the vaporizer, the delivery includes the instructions for use, a power adapter, an herb mill, a filling aid, a cleaning brush, spare seal rings, spare screens, a liquid pad, and a dosing capsule. Fully charge the batteries before the first use. To ensure an optimal vaporization, the herbs should be ground with the enclosed herb mill. Remove the upper cap of the filling aid, fill the bowl with the ground herbs, and put the upper cap back on. Detach the cooling unit from the Mighty by turning it 90 degrees counterclockwise. Unscrew the lower cap of the filling aid and attach the filling aid to the vaporizer by turning it clockwise. Now remove the upper cap of the filling aid, take the plug and use it to fill the filling chamber through the opening. Please make sure that the filling chamber is not overfilled. Remove the filling aid and reattach the cooling unit. Activate the vaporizer by pushing the orange power button for at least half a second. The display shows the actual temperature, the desired temperature, and the battery level of the Mighty. You can change the desired temperature by pressing the plus and minus buttons. By pressing the plus and minus buttons simultaneously, you can change the temperature indicator from Celsius to Fahrenheit and vice versa. It is recommended to start the inhalation process at a temperature of 180 degrees Celsius. Flip out the mouthpiece and begin inhaling. The density of the vapor is dependent on a number of factors, notably on the quality and quantity of the herbs, as well as the vaporization temperature. After a few draws, the amount of exhaled vapor may begin to decline, in which case it is recommended to increase the temperature in 10 degrees Celsius steps. As soon as no more visible vapor is exhaled once you have increased stepwise to the highest temperature of 210 degrees Celsius, the herbs are used up and the inhalation process is complete.
Storz and Bickel. Inhale the difference.